Hello viewers, welcome to the RS Organic Food. We are the leading exporter of organic food which includes hygienic meat, fresh fruits and vegetables all over the world. You are watching our Food for Health series. In this series we will tell you all the details about our organic food products and how our organic food is important for your health. In this video we will tell you about one of our major products, that is orange. Fruits are one of the greatest blessings of Allah Almighty. Allah blessed Pakistan with a dynamic climate and highly fertile land which is best to grow different types of delicious and rich in nutrients fruits. Orange is the major fruit of Pakistan which is grown on a very large scale and exported all over the world. Pakistani orange is world famous and has distinct importance in international market because of its delicious taste, attractive color and its lots of benefits for human health. Organicfood.com is the leading exporter of Pakistani orange worldwide. We offer best quality organic orange after world-class processing on modern processing plants under supervision of our highly trained staff and technical experts. Orange contains diverse nutrients which are very helpful for different parts and system of our body. The most important nutrient of orange, vitamin C, which gives strength to our immune system and increase the ability of your body to fight against different diseases, especially viral diseases like COVID-19. It contains fiber which is helpful for growth of body. It is low in calories so reduce the chance of gaining much weight. Vitamin C is also very important for a healthy and glowing skin. Orange is a good source of folic acid which is recommended during pregnancy for a healthy baby. Orange provides sufficient amount of pectin. Pectin affects several metabolic and digestive processes. Most important of them are its effect on glucose absorption and maintaining cholesterol levels. Orange handpicked from lush green farms through harvesting by our skilled labor is then transported to processing plants where they are carefully placed on a conveyor. The fresh green water is sprayed on them to remove dirt and soil of field. The quality of water sprayed is regularly checked and tested in laboratory to ensure cleanliness and purity. After washing, the next step is to dry them before waxing. Imported thiabenzole are used for fungicide and works to comply with international standards. After waxing, the drying process begins under controlled temperature to ensure complete and effective drying of the fruits. Orange after waxing and drying further sorted according to demand of our customers and then graded for the packing. While packing, it is ensured that the best of the best orange is packed in box because we can't compromise on our quality. Packed oranges are kept at +4 degrees centigrade temperature in cold store. After maintaining oranges temperature, we load them in a reefer container and dispatch them to customers' requested ports. These specialties shows that we are following all international standards and our products worth your trust and satisfaction. So it will be an honor for us if you join us as regular customers. Eat healthy, live healthy and keep connected to organic food. Have a good day.